Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pastissets from Menorca. So we'll start by adding 3 egg yolks to a mixing bowl and then add in 200 grams of sugar. Next we're going to mix them until they're combined, and once it's done you'll notice that it will have a soupy consistency to it. And to that we're going to add 400 grams of all-purpose or plain flour, 200 grams of lard, which will give the cookie a nice crumbly melt in your mouth consistency, and then a zest of 1 lemon. And then we're going to combine until it resembles a nice dough that we can mix together and roll out, ready to cut our shapes. Okay, so next we're ready to roll, and this is a top tip to use some paint sticks to roll out, and the paint sticks will actually ensure that you get a nice even depth to your cookies. And I also like to roll my cookie dough between parchment paper to prevent it sticking to the rolling pin. And you can see all the lemon zest in the cookie dough, which gives it that really unique Menorcan flavour. So next we're going to start cutting with a petal cutter. And when you do this, you just want to press nice and firmly so you get a really clean cut to those cookies. And there's a few ready cut for you to see. And once they're cut, you want to place them on a lined baking sheet, and we're going to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove them from the oven as soon as they start to brown, and then they'll firm up as they cool. And once they're cool, you just want to give them a nice sprinkling with icing sugar. And there we go, your pastissets are ready to eat. Enjoy! Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.